Monday afternoon was mostly sunny and very hot with high temperatures reaching the middle and upper 90s for most of us. And then late in the afternoon and more into the early evening hours, we did have some strong and severe storms developing for our inland communities. But since then, conditions have settled down. Stepping outside right now, we have a clear sky over the city. We can see the moon there on the right side of your screen. It's about a half moon at the moment. Temperature-wise, lower 80s with a few clouds often in the distance, but not a bad evening, but still staying on the warmer side. Viper radar scanning the skies and really starting to get a lot quieter compared to earlier in the evening when we did have those strong and severe storms setting up for our inland communities, weakening pretty quickly once they did push through our area, but not before producing some wind damage in the form of some trees down, numerous trees down for our western counties, and some strong gusts reported with wind gusts over 40 and 50 miles per hour at a few spots. And we do have the risk for a few more thunderstorms on and off throughout tomorrow afternoon and into Wednesday as well, but those chances are going to be fairly low. But with hot temperatures setting up, working their way into the middle and upper 90s for a lot of us, we do have the chance for there to be enough energy for those storms to feed off us. So just be aware of that. The humidity will be fairly high, so it feels like temperatures will be approaching 105 degrees for us at times. So definitely stay cool and hydrated. The hot trend will continue for a few more days. Hot and breezy conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday, thanks to high pressure to our north and tropical storm Bertha to our south, setting us up with a very tight pressure gradient, so winds will be gusting over 20 miles per hour at times with the circulation of tropical storm Bertha now in the northern Gulf. This was tropical depression number 2 earlier, but as of 8 o'clock it did become a tropical storm, and now as 11 o'clock, not any stronger, 40 mile per hour sustained winds. However, wind gusts are up to 50 miles per hour, basically a stationary system. And the good news is for the Gulf Coast, this system is not going to be intensifying much as it does continue to move off to the northwest and west. We will have to watch out for a storm surge along the Louisiana and Mississippi coast with that system, but we're going to be looking at winds maybe around 50 miles per hour, weakening quickly as it does move off to the west, though brushing right up against the coast. But tropical storm warnings have been issued for parts of the Gulf Coast. The tropical storm watch also in place for parts of the coast as well, especially for the Florida peninsula, or for panhandle rather. Later on in the week, as a cold front makes its way into the southeast, that will help to direct some of that moisture in our direction. So that will set us up for scattered showers and storms starting on Thursday and especially into Friday and Saturday, when we will expect the bulk of the thunderstorm activity here in the coastal empire and the low country. For tonight, mostly clear, staying warm. Temperatures will get down into the upper 70s for most of us. And then for tomorrow, hot and humid with a few isolated showers and storms possible. Winds will be gusting up to around 20 miles per hour, so that will make it feel a little bit better than it would otherwise with those hot temperatures. For the boaters, those winds will be even stronger. A small craft advisory is in place for the nearshore waters of Georgia and South Carolina, so definitely use caution out there on the waterways for tomorrow. Now, as far as the forecast, staying mainly dry for the next couple of afternoons, then those storm chances start to increase for Thursday and especially for Friday and Saturday. For the weekend, temperatures will actually trend below normal in the lower 90s, but heating up again for next week.
The key is the number you see, it feels hotter than that,
Absolutely.
right? Absolutely. Lucky us. All right,
yes.
Thank you, Scott.